So today is fixing timber and sanding the hull. A few other little jobs, putting fitting some new anodes. So I've been sanding the bottom. Still needs a bit more, a bit rough in spots. Haven't got to everywhere. But, tend to break it up a little bit. So we do some sanding and then I do some other little jobs down here. So one of the other jobs I did the other day was I pulled fuel out of the tank and I polished the fuel in TinTin. So I've got the fuel out here. It's been settling for a day and a half. So I'll give you a look at what it is. So that's 5 litres of diesel out of the bottom of my 300 litre diesel tank, which has probably got 250 in it. And I reckon there's got to be 200 to 300 mil of water in the bottom, which has settled out of that fuel, which is interesting. And there's also probably some biocide, but yeah, it's interesting to see it and just prove that it's worth doing. Another day in the boatyard, but it's another week in the boatyard. No, it's still the same week. I think the last time I was chatting, but I'm still here. It's dip day today, and we are rushing to get everything done before we go on the water. The crew arrived last night, so we had meal outs, and today they are working. Everybody is putting anti-foul on the patches where the stands were and where the straps were, so we can get ready to go on the water. And we'll try and get 2 coats on before we go on the water. We've got about an hour up in saloons, but it's busy, busy, busy. All hands to the pump. First day of sailing, we escaped the boatyard. Everybody looks pretty happy so far.
We are.
Flat seas, cups of tea. Yeah. It's all good. Welcome to Russell. Well, we've started the journey to Fiji. We're now in Russell, in the Bay of Islands, up near Opua. Come up here overnight from Whangarei. What have we discovered so far? Wind instruments playing up, and the main autopilot is playing up. Needs to be fixed, and the rest of the boat's pretty good. Crew have handled the trip so far pretty well, and yeah, the weather we had was pretty damn good, so spent a lot of money on fuel. Didn't do a lot of sailing, but everybody got a chance to work out what it was like overnight sail. So yeah, now I'm having a beer and I'm waiting for the crew to turn up. We'll head back to the boat and go into the marina.